I just bought the Swiffer Duster. This duster's 6 feet, so you can easily clean your ceiling fan. So it has one handle and 4 dusters. The duster can swivel and lock. It's 360 degrees coated. Let's open it up. All right, here's our duster. And then we have 2 more dusters here. Let's take off the cardboard. So it has a lock button that you can press here and then move the head. It says to fluff the dusters before you attach them. So I guess you just pull on the duster, fluff it. Slides on right there onto the plastic fork. I'll lock that. Slide it onto the plastic fork. Unlock it. Fluff the other one. This extends right here. You just pull it out or push it back in. All right, let's go try it out. Swiffer's locked in place. Let's try out the Swiffer. Got some dust on the side of the fan. A lot of dust on this fan. Wipe that down. Get the dust off the top. Some dust on the bottom now. Take that off. Now we're back to this one. Get the dust off the top of this one. A lot of dust on the side. Get the dust off the bottom of it. Dust off the top. So here's the one drawback is you can't stop the fan from moving. Then you have the dust that falls off the fan, falls onto whatever's beneath the fan. Overall, it looks like it's taken off the dust pretty good.